Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. All glories to Sri Jhulan Mahotsav. All glories to Sri Rupa Goswami Pad. Today is a very auspicious day. People are fasting for Ekadashi, and on top of that, it's Jhulan festival, swing festival. And in America, they are celebrating the disappearance day of Sri Rupa Goswami Pad. So all tithis are equal. The swing festival. So Maharaj is giving best wishes and congratulations to all of you for Jhulan Mahotsav Swing Festival. This swing festival gives happiness to all of us. Which happiness? Not material happiness. Krishna Indriya Priti Vancha. Krishna's This festival is to give happiness to the senses of Lord Shri Krishna. Many people uh, sit on this swing for their self enjoyment. That's called Atma Indriya Priti Vancha, to satisfy their senses. But Sri Radha Krishna's senses, to give happiness to the senses of Sri Radha and Krishna, so that they get happiness. By giving happiness to Radha Krishna, we get Prem Bhakti. Some people can say, in many big temples amongst sannyasis, the swing festival is being celebrated. It's a big thing. But we are ordinary, simple people. Why would Krishna listen to us? Or what is the big purpose for our festival? These are the points which our mind creates in our mind, these doubts, these ideas. The entire universe, in any corner of this entire universe, even if on a very small manner, if we celebrate the swing festival of Sri Radha Govind Dev Ji, then Sri Radha Rani and Sri Krishna and their among all sakhis, they all will accept your bhav and your love for them. In a subtle way, they would taste this. They all would taste it. So for this, we don't need to organize this on a large scale. Even on a small scale, Krishna will become happy. So this swing festival is to give happiness to the senses of Sri Radha Govind Dev Ji. Jhula means Hindol festival, Hindol Utsav. Jhulan Mahotsav or Hindol Mahotsav or swing festival. So Rupa Goswami has described everything about this festival, the feelings, the emotions, the decoration, the environment, everything about this festival. Gathan, the swing of the Gathan, the Shringar, the Prayojan of the swing, and the details of the swing, all the emotions he has described in detail. So this festival is for Madhure Ras Upasak. It's a very topmost festival for those who are in Madhure Ras. Dasya Sakhya Vatsalya. In these rasa, the upasakas of these rasas, the sadhakas of these three rasas, this swing festival is not for them. The swing festival is for those sadhakas who are in Madhure Ras, and in also in that Madhure Ras, they are. The swing festival is not for those who are the upasak of Dwarka. In Dwarka also there is swing festival, but there Krishna sits with his wives. But Rania, there also they celebrate swing festival. But that swing festival and the swing festival of Vrindavan, Braj, there is huge difference. They are different. Why? Because there is one point which makes this swing festival of Vrindavan very significant, and that is Maharaj is asking. Maharaj is asking you all think in your mind what that can be. Radharani is also present in Radharani is also sitting on the swing. On the other side in Dwarka, Rukmani is also there sitting on the swing. But what is that one vastu which makes this Vrindavan swing festival very significant? What it can be? Maharaj wants us to think. That vastu is man, transcendental anger of Radha Rani. Why? Rukmani doesn't show man? No, she doesn't show man. She doesn't do man. Satyabhama does man? Yes, she does man. She does. But Satyabhama's man satisfies very easily, very soon. But the man of Radharani is Durjay man. In the beginning of this swing festival, Radharani will show anger, man. And if you ask Radharani, what is the cause, reason for your man, then she would not speak. She would not say, because there is this man has no reason. This is called Nirhetuk man, which Rupa Goswami, in a very beautiful way, has described. Nirhetu man, which has no cause. And in this, Krishna also shows man. Radharani also shows man. Sometimes they both show man. And then there's a beautiful way to make both of them leave their man. Shri Krishna's man is, or the style of Shri Krishna's man is how, like during the start of Ras Leela, he played the Vamshi flute and all the gopis came. So the Ras could have taken place, but Shri Krishna at that time did not perform Ras with the gopis, because if you talk straightforward directly, then what's the point of having Ras? So for some happiness and Anand, he twisted the scenario. So during the start of Ras Leela, Krishna spoke little weird words, statements which were like not so straight. So Radharani also did this man during the start of swing festival, because here the love is very condensed. And when the love is very condensed, you can't speak things straightforward. You can't speak things directly, so straightforward, because then the love fades. When internally the love is too condensed, and externally it's taken as opposite, indifferent. Internally the love is condensed, but externally it's indifferent. In the heart of Radharani, she has a deep desire during the rainy season. And my brother Shridham, why he has not come yet to pick me up, to take me to my father's house, our father's house. My brother Shridham, why he has not come yet? Why? Shridham got late in to come to Javat. The delay is because the anxiety should increase for Radharani. Sometimes Radharani goes on the terrace in her house at Javat, and when she goes on the roof or terrace of her house, she would look out for her brother. Why my brother hasn't come yet? Shridham hasn't come. He is not coming. When Shridham Bhaiya came, then Radharani gave some ulhana. Ulhana means complaining. Why you came late? I have been waiting for so long for you, brother. Okay, for 1 or 2 days, okay. Okay, don't talk too much now. Let's go home. So this is how she was complaining to Sridham. She came to Barsana, which is her house, And there Lalita and Vishakha, Chitra Sakhi, Champak Lata, Sudevi, Ranga Devi, Asht Sakhiya, Yutheshwaris, for the pleasure of Radharani, these Yutheshwaris created the swing for her happiness. But it was planned to swing with the Sakhis, but but in her in-laws' house, Shri Krishna makes so many excuses and takes different forms to meet Radharani. And this swing festival is such festival where he does not need to take any form. He has Shola Shingar, Radharani, and in the middle of the gopis, Krishna is enjoying the Milan Leela. The swing festival is like meeting pastime, meeting festival. Because before this, there was long separation between Radha and Krishna. And after separation, the meeting is very tasty. After a long separation, the meeting is very ruchikar, means tasty, interesting. Now, this meeting of Radha and Krishna is not ordinary. It's very special meeting. It's a very special meeting. This is also known as Kunjalila, where Shri Radha Govind Dev Ji have Utkantha in their heart to meet with each other. The Manjaris, which Manjaris? Tat Tat Bhav Ichha Mai Manjaris. Those Manjaris who have the entrance in the Radha Krishna's pastimes, and they do not have any personal desire to enjoy the swing festival for their enjoyment. In their heart, in their mind and heart, they only want that Shri Radha Govind Dev Ji should sit on the swing, and they should be happy. They should get Param Anand. So it's a very special love of Shri Rupa Manjari, of these Manjaris. Shri Rupa, under the guidance of Shri Rupa Manjari, all the Manjaris serve Radha Krishna. Shri Lalita Sakhi uh, instructs Rupa Manjari through her eyes, and Shri Rupa Manjari gives signs, signals to other Manjaris with her eyes. No need to speak there. They are so expert that with their mouth they don't need to explain. Only through eyes, the signs given by the eyes, the signals, uh, under the guidance of Rupa Manjari, our entire Guru Parampara, our Gurudev, Shila Gurudev, they get the instructions through eye signals, and all the instruments which are required for this beautiful pastime, they arrange it. All the Manjaris arrange it. So this is not an ordinary pastime. This swing festival has something significant. One significance I just told you, that it has man, transcendental anger, even which is not present in Dwarka, Prasham Karna. Which kind of man is this? This man has no cause or the reason. Nirhetuk man. And this Nirhetuk man, which is without any cause, to convince for this, there are so many different varieties. So Rupa Goswami has described all that. One is Sam, Bhed, second is Bhed, third is Kriya, fourth is Dan, and fifth is Nati, Upeksha, then Rasantar. These are the types through which this man can be ended, or it can become pacified. This man can become pacified. One special thing about Nirhetuk man is this is that man which ends very soon, but that man which is with cause, and to pacify that man of Radharani is very difficult. Sham Sundar has to do lots of efforts, has to make lots of efforts, but this man nir hetuk man, which is without any cause, this can be specified through Sam, Bhed, Upeksha. All these other titles are Sam means to speak sweet words. Sam, Priya Bhashya. Priya Bhashya means sweet words. Bhasha means language. In the language, the person, the lover would accept his mistake. Krishna would accept his mistake. Priya Bhashya. Priya means sweet. Shri Krishna comes from the Kunj of Chandravali and he got caught. He got caught means Radharani got to know that he went to meet Chandravali. And when Radharani got to know, then Sam. This is one type of way to pacify Radharani. Radharani showed Man and Krishna said, "Oh my lover, hey Priye, oh my sweetheart." He does not say Radhaji. He says, "Hey Priye." Sometimes he calls her Radhe, Radha, or Priye. When he is caught for his mistake, then he calls Radharani with different other names. Hey Priya, I'm your offender, but I know very well in your heart there is a sneh for me, which is not less. It has not reduced. You are sneh mati. You are premvati. You have so much love. You can forgive for any offense. I know this very well. That is why, hey Priye, please forgive me for my this offense. So this is by after hearing these sweet words, Radharani's man gets specified. This is called Priya Vachan, means he accepted his mistake. Krishna. Sometimes he does not accept. He becomes shut. Trish. He says directly, "No, no, I did not do." These signs which you are seeing, signs on Krishna's Kalevar body, they came on me because I was going through the bushes and I got these scratches on my body. So he lies directly to Radharani at times. But to pacify Radharani, there are different ways, and Krishna is very expert, very daksha in doing that. So we will hear all this tomorrow, or in between, we would keep on hearing because this is about Rupa Manjari. Shri Rupa Manjari ji, tat tat bhav ichha mein. There is oneness of Rupa Manjari and Radha Rani. Means the emotions of Radharani's hearts, they also appear in the hearts of these Manjaris because they are one with Radharani. Rupa Manjari got to know. Shri Rupa Manjari got to know. All Manjaris, gopis together built a very beautiful swing. One type of swing I told you yesterday, I will repeat it again. On the branches of Kadam tree, Jhula dharo Kadam ki dali, Radha Mohan jhule dheere dheere. On the branches of Kadam tree, there are beautiful ropes of silk. Reshmi means silk because Radha Krishna uh, are very light. They're heavy in love, but otherwise they are very lightweight. So those silk ropes are wrapped with beautiful creepers. So today I will show you this scene after the end of the katha. These details which I'm giving you right now, I will show you the jhulan today. You see it properly after the end of this harikatha. At the end of the harikatha. So on those silky ropes, there are beautiful flowers and Beli Chameli. These are the names of flowers. And where flowers have come, their manjaris are also put. Manjaris. And seeing this opportunity, Vrinda Sakhi, the one who is the queen of Vrindavan. Vrinda Sakhi means the goddess of the forest, Vrindavan forest. Vrinda Sakhi, she instructed the birds. I will show you this as well today. All the birds, which kind of birds? Shuk, Sari means parrots, Maina and Mayur, peacock. Mayuri, female peacock, male peacock, the deers and butterflies. All these they come and they sit on those silky ropes of the swing. Some look on the at the top, some birds. And suppose if Maharaj is sitting on the swing, and if someone just like peeps in what's happening inside the swing, so Maharaj is saying he will show this scene as this he will show this today to us. And Radha Govind Dev Ji. Okay, so the birds are peeping inside to see what Radha Govind Dev Ji are doing inside the swing. So as if the entire universe has come to serve in this pastime of Radha Govind Dev Ji, the Vanitas of the forest, all the birds, all the flowers, all the butterflies, branches, creepers. Today, all of them are present in the this beautiful festival of the swing by the sweet, soft. This swing was created, was manifested, was built by the soft hands of the Manjaris. And behind there are beautiful kunj gardens. Why these kunj are created? Because some Manjaris are peeping inside like this. They have small holes, in in those kunjas. Because so all Manjaris, if they are present in front of Radha Govind Dev Ji, then they can might feel shy. They can feel sankochit, means shy. So they are seeing from behind through those holes in the kunjas. So one swing is such. This pastime sometimes take place at Radhagund or sometimes at Govardhan, where Radha Rani's Swapaksh gopis are present. Swapaksh means favorable to Radha Rani. Shri Sham Sundar goes to Vipaksha gopis. That's a different pastime. That's not our topic. That's not our subject. Our topic right now is Swapaksha gopis. Gopis who belong to our group. And big Yuteshwaris are present. Lalita Sakhi, Vishaka Sakhi, Chitra Sakhi, Champaklata Sakhi, Ranga Devi, Sudevi, they all are present. These are Yuteshwaris, and their youth means their groups, those who work under their guidance. They are expert. Each one of them is so expert. Tung Vidya Sakhi is expert in playing veena, and she sings beautiful rag for Radha Govind Dev. During Savan, which rag is sung? Malhar rag. Malhar rag. Malhar rag. Some gopis play mridang, some gopis play kartal, some gopis play veena, and some play vamshi, the flute. Like this, beautiful, uh, and at everyone's lotus feet, all are wearing nupur, means anklet. So even the sound of their nupur is like is making sound, beautiful sound. And in the sky there is not the heat of the sun. Even the sun is not able to see this pastime through its rays. The clouds can see this pastime. Why clouds can see this pastime? Because the clouds are having the same color as Sham Sundar. Meg, the clouds means Meg. They are Sham Varn. Like Krishna is Sham Varn. They are praying to Krishna, the clouds. Your color complexion, body complexion, that is same like ours. It's like tadat mein. That is why we are eligible to see your this beautiful pastime. Because without clouds, there cannot be the swing festival. Clouds means swing festival. Means during cloud swing festival, clouds have to be present. That's why it's called rainy season. So even the clouds are dancing, and they have come to see this pastime, and they want to serve. Actually, they are serving. And when these clouds came, not that the cloud bursted, not that the cloud bursted, not like that, not any tsunami or not any kind of storm, nothing like that. The clouds, you might have seen sometimes, the clouds drizzling. It's not heavy rain, it's very soft, like snowfall. It's very soft, gentle, month. Like you go to any program, and there are fans there, which are which also shower some water splashes on us, those kind of fans. So just like that, very light drops of rains, which won't make you wet. I mean, it's very gentle. It's like very, like drizzling. Yes, mist is the right word. Why everyone is so excited in this festival? Wait for that. Maharaj is saying, wait for that. The clouds are so excited, and they are showering rain, means they are crying. It's their tears, and very soft, gentle water is falling from these clouds. But this rain, this drizzle, this mist has is fragrance. One fragrance is of the sand of Vrindavan, the dust, or the sand of Vrindavan. You sometime, I don't know if it's there in in your country or not, but this happens in Braj. When the rain falls on the sand of Vrindavan, it gives very nice, gentle fragrance. So one is the fragrance of the land of Vrindavan, and even the directions of Vrindavan, Braj. Even those directions are not engaged in the service. Those directions are, the breeze, the Samir breeze, soft, gentle breeze, which is coming from all these four directions. The trees which has fruits on them, the flowers on them, those Samir, that breeze which came from the banks of Yamuna Maharani, it touched those flowers and fruits. And there's a flower called jasmine. It's very fragrant, very fragrant. So that breeze touched jasmine, and the entire focus is on that swing. So that breeze is coming towards that side where the swing is there. The groups of the birds. Oops, I think something. Okay, so not that 100 peacocks came there, or not that there 100 uh, uh, different kind of birds came there, 100 parrots. Their groups, their youth means, oh, their leader. The leaders of these birds are sitting on the swing, but other birds are sitting on the trees all around. So they are so much detailed. So Sakhis came with Shingar, and now these Sakhis, Shingar means makeup, and now they have made Krishna, Sham Sundar, like a groom. When someone gets married, when someone gets married, they dress up like a groom. The groom dress up such, with such heavy makeup. Gopis made Sham Sundar dress like a groom with a very beautiful turban. That turban which has peacock feather, And even on that turban, the peacock feather has borders. So the turban of Sham Sundar has very beautiful embroidery on the borders, and and there's a big peacock feather as well on the left side, which is bended on the left side on Krishna's turban, because bending on the left side means Radharani would sit in his left side, to his left side. In his ears, he is wearing Karnikaram, the flower of Karnika. Around his neck, he has Vajanti Mala. Five different. Sorry, it's raining in Mayapur. 1 second. So, on the turban of Sham Sundar, there is a pearl necklace, the chain of pearls, which is hanging on his turban, basically. Not a necklace, it's a hanging of pearls. And on the both sides, actually in India, the groom dressed up like this, like from his both sides of the face. His hair is okay, so just few hair is coming from the sides of Krishna's face, and he's wearing armlets. And even on his armlets, he is wearing pearls. Krishna, Sham Sundar. On his feet, he is wearing nupur, anklet, and he has a beautiful fate. I don't know what's fate. And then he's wearing hanging his flute around his waist. In many pastimes, first Radharani comes and then Sham Sundar comes. But there are few pastimes where Krishna comes first and then Radharani comes, because the boss comes later on. After the boss comes afterwards. The boss comes afterwards. So Radharani is Swamini in the pastime of Jhula Leela. The Shringar of Radharani, she's taking so much time to dress up. All the manjaris, someone is making her wear a very pancharang sari, and then she's wearing Sham Sundar, uh, which has golden border, and they all are dressing her up. They are making her wear, that beautiful sari, lehenga, sari. She's doing huge makeup. Some are taking care of her feet. They are decorating her feet. They are putting alta, that red color, on her lotus feet. They are making design on her lotus feet. Chitravali does this. They are doing making her wear beautiful anklet, nupur. Radha Rani, like a ringing bell, which makes sound, and then she wears flowers on her in her hair as well, and she also wears these flowers around her wrist and around her arms, like armlets. This is called gajra actually, and her in her eyes, she's so all her actually body, head, face, arms, wrist, she's wearing this gajra, means flower necklace made with flowers. That's called gajra. And then she's wearing a chandrika, but that chandrika today is covered with flowers. These flowers are what? They are not ordinary material flowers. These flowers had a deep desire since long time that We want to become an instrument in the shingar makeup of Radha Rani. So today these manjaris engage these flowers in the service in the shingar of Shrimati Radha Thakurani. So there is a beautiful braid she has, Radha Rani. On that braid also, there are small, small white flowers which are put in her entire braid. This is how she is decorated, and this is how she is dressed up. Radharani says, Radharani says with she knows that she will sit with Krishna. Now today Sham Sundar would sit next to her on the swing, but externally she is showing, Lalita, today will I sit with you, or Vishaka, will I sit with you on the swing? So all gopis are there covering their face like this and they're smiling. They're covering like this and they're smiling. One swing we see swing which goes to and fro, to and fro, to and fro. But one swing is such, there is one swing here, and they would sit single, single. Okay, so both these swings would go like this, like left, right, left, right, left, right. And one swing is such in which both these jugal would sit together. I hope I made it clear. So one swing is like this, whereas Radharani is sitting on this swing and Krishna sitting on this swing, and they are just swinging like this. But another swing is that one on which they are both sitting together. Only this is such pastime where Shri Radharani, you can see the lotus feet of Srimati Radharani on this during this swing festival. In different pastimes, when Radharani walks around in Vrindavan, what would happen? Her foot signs, they would get impressed, on the land of Vrindavan. But only at two places one can see the lotus feet of Radharani. Either at Shayan Leela, at Nidhuvan, with Sham Sundar, Radharani goes for rest. Shayan means rest. And only one or two manjaris are there present there to massage her lotus feet. They can see the lotus feet of Radharani. And some manjaris uh, get to see her lotus feet during many other manjaris and gopis get to see her lotus feet during this swing festival. When the swing would go higher, everyone would get to see the foot signs of Radharani. Dhwaj, Meen, Kalash, Ankush, and Kamal. So there are 11 plus 8 signs on her lotus feet. They get to see this during this during this swing festival, Hindol Leela or Jhulan Leela. This is such a beautiful pastime. Kavi Karn Purn Goswami ji and Anya Acharyas, other Acharyas have described this pastime in their um, books. This swing pastime is performed, takes place under the guidance of Sri Rupa Manjari. And this swing festival will go on until Baldev Purnima or before Baldev Purnima. So tomorrow also we sang. Today also let's sing together. All the Sakhis are praying. This is one kind of emotion, abhisar. Abhisar means so they dressed up Radharani, then they arranged for the swing also, and they arranged for the meeting, and now they are making them meet together, sit together on the swing and enjoy. Sit together on the swing and enjoy. This pastime will not take place in Dwarka. Even in Vaikunt, In Vaikuntha also, you will not see such details. They sit on the swing, Lakshmi and Narayan, but not so many details are given there. The significance of Braj swing festival is Man Leela. So the gopis do abhisar when they invite Radha Rani. Internal mood is different, external mood is different. No, I will not sit on the swing. Sham Sundar swings very fastly, and I become scared. I get scared. But internally, she wants to sit with Sham Sundar. She will get scared, but that fear, I will get scared because the swing would be so fast. But then also I will get to embrace Sham Sundar. This is what she wants. Externally, she is showing man. No, I can't sit with Sham Sundar because he swings very fast. I get scared. But then the gopis sing, Radhe Jhulana Padharo, Jhuk Aaye Badra, Jhuk Aaye Badra, Gir Aaye Badra, Radhe Jhulana Padharo, Jhuk Aaye Badra. Maybe now you all can see on your other screens. Soon Maharaj will, I think, will show us the swing. Thank you for sharing, Braj Kishore Prabhu, the song lyrics. तुम तो परम से आनी वृषभानु की लली. You are very smart. See, smart means you're very intelligent. You are not immature. You are mature. No. It doesn't mean that. Siani means you are daksha, expert. You know very well that right now, with which emotion, feeling you have to convince Sham Sundar Vilsana. Means to give anand and happiness to Sham Sundar. So both of them want to embrace each other. Sham Sundar, not that just Sham Sundar wants, even Radharani wants to embrace Sham Sundar, but immediately, if they both come together in the pastime immediately, then how there won't be any excitement. Now, neither she would have the excitement nor he would have excitement. That's why to show this man, Radharani does show this man to please Krishna actually. Oh Sakhi, you are Param Syani Vrishbhanu ki lali. Sajo Shola Shingar, Dalo Nanan Kajrar. So Gopis did this Shingar. Uh, in Ujjwal Neelmani, Shri Rupa Goswami has described this Sola Shingar in detail. And in her eyes, she has Kajal of Sham Sundar. Like this, they convinced Radharani, and they saw that Sham Sundar is already sitting on the swing and he is waiting for Radharani to come. He's waiting for Radharani to come. Where Krishna, who actually Gopi waits for Sham Sundar to come. But during this Hindol Leela, Sham Sundar is waiting for Radharani. When Radharani would come, for which direction she would come. She's so utkantit. He's so utkantit, excited. Swamini ji, Radharani would come from that direction, and from distance he saw some light, aura. He saw aura, like when darkness fades before sun comes, sun rises up. There is beautiful charm or aura in the sky that he saw in one direction, and Sham Sundar understood that Radharani is coming now. My wait is over. Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari. The gold which is melted, which is like 100 suns, millions of suns, the light which comes from millions of suns, that he saw coming from one direction, that kind of light. Sham Sundar thought, should I stand or should I just sit? If I stood up, then Swaminiji should not think in her heart that Here I accepted Sambram Bhav. Many emotions are going on in Krishna's mind. If I stand up, then Radharani should not think, should not feel that I have become formal. I am being formal with her. So this pastime should be informal, not formal. If I stand, she would think that I am treating her very formally. So Sham Sundar was waiting, and gopis were convincing Radharani to please come and join and sit on the swing which we have decorated for you. And they are praying her, requesting her, praying her, convincing her, oh Swaminiji, oh Radharani, please come and sit on this beautiful swing. Shri Krishna's heart, from his tears, eyes, the love is flowing, the prem is flowing. It's mixing bhav, mixed emotions for Krishna. So this swing is huge. Actually, it's not compact. And Shri Krishna is sitting on one side of the swing, and he held that one right hand, right hand. Krishna was holding one rope of the swing, and Radharani sat to his left side, and she was holding the rope of the swing, and they both are sitting on different corners of the swing. There's gap in between, but internally what they are thinking, we we should come and sit close to each other. This is what they want, but they are not sitting so close to each other. But how this can be shown so directly and immediately, when some pastime would, you know, Leela would take place, then they can show. Some pastime should take place so that they can embrace each other. Alingan means embracing. Sham Sundar with his right hand is holding the rope, left hand is not being used. So Radharani's left hand is being in use to held that rope, and her right hand is free. So the gopis, sakhis are swinging now. Very softly, gently the swing. They are moving it, they are swinging it, and now they are happy. Both of them are enjoying it. Shri Krishna showed some sign with his eye to the gopis, manjaris, swing fastly, and then Radharani held his hand like this. They both came closer to each other because now the swing is fast, swinging fastly. And when it became too fast, it went in the air. Then Radharani's veni, the braid of Radharani, is flying in the air. Is flying in the air, her braid. And then she got scared. Should I still keep on holding the rope? Or should I embrace Sham Sundar? She left the rope. She left the rope, and she embraced Sham Sundar like this, completely like this, with her both arms. So in Krishna's heart, the desire which was in his heart, that was fulfilled. Radharani herself came, be it any reason, but she embraced me. She embraced me, be it any reason. So Krishna also, on the other hand, on the other side, Sham Sundar also embraced Radharani. And when the gopis saw this pastime, they became so happy. Manjaris, what are they doing? They are planning for other pastime. Which other pastime? After this will happen Kunjalila. Both will become tired. Radha and Krishna will become tired, and they will go to the Kunj, and Sham Sundar would massage her lotus feet. All Manjaris got busy in planning for other pastime, other service. Like this swing festival, which is this, they don't want to end this. Gopis don't want to end this swing festival. Manjaris don't want to end this swing festival. Even the Krishna doesn't want. Radharani does not want. The swing festival should keep on going. Should keep on going. Should keep on going. By the mercy of Shri Rupa Goswami and under his anugatya, and the Anugate of our Gurudev also. We heard this beautiful swing pastime. Today is a very beautiful Ekadashi and this beautiful swing festival, and also the disappearance day of Shri Rupa Goswami Pad. His Siddhant, his Rasvichar, his Tattva Siddhant, and his Vaishishta, his pastimes, all this we will hear in tomorrow's Harikatha. Today, let's offer our pranam to this swing festival, and we should also pray, O Radha Thakurani, O all the gopis, O all the manjaris, O our Shila Gurudev, please make us eligible that someday, someday would come in any birth that one day will come when we will also become we will also participate in this beautiful swing festival. We would see Radha Govind Dev Ji present on the swing, and we would get a chance, opportunity to create that, to manifest that swing. Somehow we will get an opportunity to participate in this beautiful swing festival someday. One day, that one day will come in any birth. Let's pray. This will only happen by service. Which service? Hari, Guru, and Vaishnavas. Service of Hari, Guru, and Vaishnavas. From this, we will learn, and gradually, by learning and doing, when we will become expert, then this will become our Vastu Siddhi. After Sarup Siddhi, only one can attain Vastu Siddhi to serve in the swing festival of Radha Govind Dev Ji. We would swing Shri Radha Govind Dev Ji. But this opportunity we still have right now. In the body of sadhak, as a sadhak, many people texted me. They celebrated the swing festival in their house. They said, yesterday you showed us the swing and we got inspired. So whatever they had facility in their house, they made a beautiful out of it. You know, some people have the swing in their backyard, so they decorated that swing in their backyard. They don't have Thakurji, but they have photo of Seva Kunj. So they put the photo of Seva Kunj on that swing, and they decorated that swing which they have in their backyard, and they click the photo and they send it to me. So they all got inspired from yesterday's video which Maharaj showed us. Even if you have big deities but you don't have emotions or bhav to serve like this, then what's the point? If you swing like this, then you don't have to swing in this material world. You will be swinging in the mode of goodness, passion, and ignorance, like this, like this, like this. So what we should do, we should make Thakur just sit on this swing, then you don't have to swing in this material life. This all glories to Shri Jhulan Mahotsav, Shri Radha Govind Dev Ji ki jai. Now I will show you a divine Jhulan. Now you all can see Maharaj's screen. So you see properly each and every corner. Maharaj is saying the devotees took a lot of time to decorate this swing and to do the shingar of Shri Radha Govind Dev Ji. How the birds are also there present and they're sitting on the swing. How the peacocks, small cows are there, and even the swans are there present. Now we will see this Jhulan Mahotsav. Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol Shri Radha Govind Dev Ji ki jai. So Maharaj is going to sing. You all can see Maharaj's screen, and they will swing very gently. The swing. I think Maharaj. Um, Maharaj is asking if you all can see. So Radha Govind Dev Ji are sitting on the swing, and all the birds, like peacock, butterflies are there. Oh, Maharaj is personally showing. that these birds are bending to see this beautiful pastime. He's showing with his finger. He's like pointing. The peacock is there. Peacock on both the side is there. Both the peacocks, how they are taking darshan of Shri Radha Govind Dev Ji. And the rope, yes, thank you for confirming, Didi. So when these peacocks came on the swing, they opened their feathers. And even the beautiful butterflies are there on the swing. Below also they are parrot, swan, and peacock. Radharani's Shingar, her hands, in her hands she is wearing kalava. Around her neck she has a necklace. So many necklaces. Around her waist she has kinkani. It's a alankar ornament. And her skirt, her lehenga, it has embroidery. And Sham Sundar also has beautiful shingar today. Such a beautiful झूलन. राधे झूलन पधारो झुक आए बदरा झुक आए बदरा गिर आए बदरा राधे झूलन पधारो झुक आए बदरा ऐसो मान नहीं की जो हट छोड़ रिस लली अली सॉरी तुम तो परम से आनी वृषभानु की लली और राधे झूलन पधारो झुक आए बदरा साजो शोला सोला श्रृंगार डालो नैनो गजरार पहनो पंच रंग साड़ी the sari which has 5 colors panch rang panch means 5 तेरो रसिक प्रीतम मग जोड़वत खड़ो तेरो रसिक प्रीतम मग जोड़त खड़ो राधे झूलन पधारो झुके आए बदरा राधे झूलन पधारो झुक आए बदरा झुक आए बदरा Maharaj is singing personally actually this is so sweet and now he's doing aarti offering chamar राधे झूलन पधारो झुक आए बदरा जय 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 श्री राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे ओ राधा रानी की जय महारानी की जय राधा रानी की जय महारानी की जय दारानी की जय महारानी की जय राधा बरसाने वाली की जय 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 बोलो बरसाने वाली की जय 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 राधा रानी की जय महारानी की जय राधा रानी की जय ठकुरानी की जय बोलो बरसाने वाली की जय 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 श्री राधे okay Maharaj is now again showing us the darshan of Shri Radha Govind Dev Ji with close up जय राधे श्री राधे जय राधे जय श्री राधे जय राधे श्री राधे जय राधे जय जय राधे जय राधे श्री राधे जय राधे श्री राधे जय राधे श्री राधे राधे जय 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 श्री राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे श्री राधा रानी की जय Okay, now there's Gopalji as well. They have did Shringar of Gopalji as well, and there's Gaur Nitai as well. They are also beautifully dressed up. Hare Krishna. श्री गौर निताय की जय, श्री गोपाल की जय, सुंदर कुंज लीला की जय, ब्यूटीफुल कुंज पास टाइम, श्री राधा गोविंद देव जी की जय, गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, dear devotees, Hare Krishna.